Good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed about the leaf and its functions. In today's class, let us discuss about root and its functions and its structures and types of roots. What is root? What is root? Functions of the root and types of the roots. Relation between type of root and type of leaf venation. Right? So, what is root? This is one point. Functions of the roots. Second point, types of roots. Third point, relation. So, totally 4 things we are going to learn about the roots. What is root? As you are class 6th students, we are not going to learn in detailed definition. Simple definition we will learn. So, what is root? First of all, what is root, what is stem, whatever that it is coming, it is part of the plant, right? Part of the plant. See, it is the major part. This is the major part. Where it is growing, if you write, we will understand that is root. Part of the plant that grows in the soil. In the soil below the base of the stem. Below the base of the stem. Part of the plant that grows in the soil below the base of the stem. This is the root. What are the functions of the roots? What are the functions of the roots? Roots carry out 2 functions. Roots carry out 2 functions. They are absorption of water and mineral nutrients. Absorption of water and mineral nutrients from soil. From the soil. That is number 1 function. Very, very important function. Second function is providing anchorage. Providing anchorage to the plant. Providing anchorage to the plant so that it is firmly present at one place on the ground. These are the two functions. Right. How to prove that roots are helpful for absorption of water and mineral nutrients? So, if roots are not absorbing water and mineral nutrients, then without roots also plant must stay healthy. If roots are absorbing water and mineral nutrients, then without the roots plants cannot stay healthy. Instead, they may die. Let us prove this by conducting one activity. Take two plants. One with the roots and another plant cut its roots. Here you have cut the roots. There is no root. With root, and this is without root. Keep watering. Keep watering both the plants using this dropper type thing. After 1 week, if we observe, mark these plants as plant A, plant B. Plant A looks healthy, whereas plant B might be seen dead also. Why plant B is seen dead? Because this plant leaves, they did not get water. Sir, you have told stem conducts water to the leaves. But if stem is supplied with water, then it will conduct. To supply water, water must be absorbed. That water absorbing part here in plant A, whatever the water absorbing part root is there, that root is not there in plant B. So, this activity explains that roots play the role of water absorption, or absorption of water and mineral nutrients is carried out by roots. So that as the plant B is not having root, it could not absorb water though we have supplied to it. Whereas plant A, it was having root, So it didn't die, it could absorb the water, and the water is supplied to the leaves, and mineral nutrients also supplied to the plant body, so that it is healthier. This is how we can understand the importance of roots in water absorption and mineral absorption. The second function of the root is providing. Roots provide anchorage. Roots provide anchorage to the plant in the soil. How to prove it? Take 3 to 4 gram seeds. Any gram seeds you know, Udinabela, Hesrebela, like this, and some maize seeds. Because gram seeds, they form one type of roots, and maize seeds form another type of roots. Right. You have taken 3 to 4 gram seeds and some maize seeds. You have taken some cotton. You have taken some cotton wool. In that you have kept in one particular cotton wool these gram seeds. And this, in this maize seeds you have kept. Right? After, then you have kept this cotton wool wet by sprinkling water regularly. And you have waited for particular time period, around some 2 to 3 days. They sprout. They start giving sprouts. Sprouts are formed. And you leave it for some more days. From these sprouts, the roots will grow deep, and even small plants also are going to come out. Small plants also going to come out. Right? Now, you try to pluck out the seeds. If you try to pluck out the seeds, will it be easier for you? No. When you try to separate these young plants or these seeds from this cotton wool, okay, what will happen? Will you feel it easier? No. Why? Because roots, they will fix this plant into this cotton. We cannot pull out the plant easily. We cannot pull out the plant easily from the soil, because roots anchor the plant to the soil, because roots anchor the plant, to the soil, so that plant is fixed, plant is present, fixed, firmly fixed at one place, in the soil, on the soil, right? So this is how two functions are carried out by roots. Okay, now if you look at the roots of a gram plant, and the roots of maize plant. What are the similarities in both? In both these plants, roots are growing downside from the seed. Roots grow downside from the seeds. Then what are the differences? From the gram seed, root is growing deep, whereas from the maize seeds, roots are not growing deep, growing deep, right? They are not growing deep. Okay. And this root that is coming or growing down from the gram seed is having one central root and some side roots. The central root is growing down deep and the side roots are coming out from that central root or main root. Whereas here all the roots are of same type. You cannot find there is one main root and some side roots like that. All roots are same. And they appear like fibers. Whereas in this gram plant, the roots do not appear like fibers. Instead, they appear like one main or tap root and some side roots are lateral roots. So this type of root system is called tap root system. This type of root system is called fibrous root system. Tap roots, they grow deep in the soil. Fibrous roots do not grow deep in the soil. They grow only to a limited depth, very limited or little depth. Okay. And tap root containing plants, they show reticulate venation in their leaves. whereas fibrous roots having plants, they show parallel venation in their leaves. This is the relation between the types of roots and the venation of the leaves in a given plant. Okay, remaining things we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.